Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. So I won't take much time here. Why? Because you can see that I'm just using my laptop only, and but I hope you can see everything nicely. So what's really happening here? So we saw that the market yesterday did sell off, like seriously sell off. So what really happened actually is Jerome Powell, he was actually giving a statement actually about the interest rates, which they're going to be like, I think, in 2 weeks. Actually, if the first week of May. So I think that maybe did not. Maybe that was not really good with the market. That's why we saw the market was reacting very badly. So now we are on on German 30. It's difficult when you record these things, and when you use only one screen, it's fine. So you will just try to understand what's really happening. So if maybe it's not clear as the other days, it's fine, guys, it's fine. So but before we continue, for those who wants to join the team, there are my contacts. I don't know if you can see that. There are my contacts, and after that you can just post that, and from there we can just go to the break. Then after that we can just go straight to the analysis. So 150, it's lifetime mentorship and signals, and $35 is monthly signals only. So let's go to the break. Get funded with Traders Central to kickstart your trading career and make the profit that you deserve, and you will get access to TradingView, my FX book, and many more, and enjoy Traders Central ecosystem and so much more on their marketplace. Link in my description. Check the link, then you will start to enjoy more of the funding. Thanks. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching that. I hope everything's fine. So what's really happening here, guys, is we saw a very nice breakout. I will just make this video very fast because my laptop might die now. There is no power here. So what's really happening is we saw that the market was going down very nicely. We call this downtrend, right? So the market just broke out of that, and the market created some nice retest around that area. Then after, boom, the market pushed up, and from there we were not going to like easily enter anywhere without any nice rejection. But guess what? The market did reject. This is a very nice rejection, guys, and it seems like the market is following this type of an area there. So I'm thinking that, okay, maybe just because the market is no longer under that downtrend, maybe the market is planning to do something like this. You can see that maybe the market is planning to do something like that, but we will see. But I like the fact that the market respected that area, and that sell-off, obviously, it's seriously very long. But if, let's say, if maybe the market breaks out here, it means yes, the market will be like seriously on bearish momentum. Then there's nothing that we can do. We can just follow the trend. At the moment, I think the trend, it was selling off, but at least it seems like there it's a support area. Maybe the market will find a support there, push up, down, up, like that. So I think maybe you can see what's really happening, but still it's Friday, and later on we're still gonna go live if the power will be here. If there won't be any load shedding, we can still go live later on. Then we will see what's really happening. So I hope maybe you understand what I see. But if maybe the market seriously wants to push up, we can have something like that, and maybe, let's say, increase that, something like that. But actually it was supposed to be very down there, but if maybe you late, I don't know, you can do something like that, and maybe the market will go in your favor, something like that, you see. So but don't really have to you don't really have to fight the market. It's Friday. We traded very nicely during the week, so we don't really need to take our profits out just because we just need to trade non-stop, you see. So here we are on gold. If you still remember, what I said on gold is, after this breakout, if you still remember, I think the market was still around these areas. So I said the market actually is trying to create what? You can see this is a consolidation move actually. And with that sort of consolidation, obviously we can't do anything. The market is just playing with us here. But I know that after this, the market might push up or maybe push down. So the thing that we can do is just to wait and see where the market is going to break. Then we can take a decision from there. But at the moment, there is nothing that we can do. We can just wait for the market just to play around there before it take a usual direction. But at the moment, I think maybe the market will sell. Why? Because the market was pushing up very nicely. You can see the market was pushing up. Breakout, this means now the market is on a downtrend. Actually, the market is on a downtrend. So actually, we're expecting the market to keep doing something like that. But at the moment, the market is on this sort of a ranging. Then after this breakout is where we can say, oh, now we can do what? We can continue to sell. But the structure should be there that we can try to connect, and if it makes sense, then it's where we can say, okay, let's take a trade, you see. So please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share. So what's really happening here also is, even here on US oil, guys, it's on US oil now. We also see the similar move that we saw actually on gold. We just saw the breakout. The market was nicely pushing up. Then guess what? The market just broke out here. Now we see that the market is just moving along. Actually, it's not going up, it's not going down. So it means the market is just actually consolidating around the same place, because if we check from since the breakout, let's say since the breakout, the market has been moving along the same levels, you see. So that is not a really good thing. Actually, we should actually get out of the market and wait for a nice trend, as we did before, because here we were just killing the market. The market was just going up with our favor, and in our favor we're just making money. So I think it was simple, because when you go with the trend, the market is actually in your favor. But this way here, we just need to wait until a nice structure of a uptrend or a downtrend appears. Then we can say, okay, now we buy in or we selling. Simple as that. So let's move to the next one, US30. Oh, US30. So on US30, we have something like this. You can see that actually the market was going down. If you still remember, the market was going down. That was a downtrend, right? That was a downtrend. Now the market was pushing up. The market was pushing up. Guess what? Now, yesterday, Powell was talking and about the interest rates and stuff like that. Then we saw a strong sell-off. Now, when we check our charts, we can see that, oh, actually, we can see that, oh, the market actually created something that we can say, okay, after that breakout, when we connect whatever that we connect here, this lowest level, they make a very nice support area. You see, they make a very nice support area. But with that, actually, we can see that I already sent the signal in the group. So which means that if maybe, let's say, if maybe the market is going to push up, as we see that the market tried to respect this area, we can say this might be a very nice valid support area. We can see the market respected these areas several times. Maybe the market will touch here, go lower. We don't know. We have a stop loss. We're not going to cry much about that. So what's really going to happen is we just need to wait for the market. Maybe it will push up. But if maybe that doesn't happen, maybe we'll see the market break in this area, and maybe we can, obviously, if it pushes lower, if it touched your pending order, obviously we can lose that. And also, it's fine. We don't really have to win every day. That is part of the process. That is part of the game. So what I see is, I think the market, yes, the market did sell off very crazy. You can see yesterday, the market did sell off very, very crazy. Then what's really happening is maybe the market will start to give us a nice structure. You remember, with this type of structure here, we did not have a nice rejection. Maybe now we can have a rejection that maybe the market might push up. If not, please have that stop loss. Then maybe if the market goes against you, you're not going to lose much. Simple as that. So this is what I see actually. So If let's say if we see a breakout, obviously it means now the market will be continuing nicely, maybe with the downtrend, and we need to follow that. But most likely we will see there's some nice moves later on when the market opens. Maybe we will see the market selling off, maybe, or we'll see the market pushing up. But with this one, I think the structure is simple, straightforward. I think I can say we are still on a bullish momentum, unless if this support area is going to be broken. It's where we can say, okay, let's think twice, and maybe we can say, it's time for us to do what, maybe to sell. So let's push straight to NASDAQ. So what's really happening on NASDAQ is, if you still remember yesterday, actually, I can just bring this here. Yesterday the market was actually nicely on the support area. I don't know if you see this nicely. This was on a very nice support. Sorry, on a, let me just remove this before. This, it was on a very nice uptrend. You can see the market. It's quite similar to what happened. It's what's happening on US30. So, but yesterday we had some. We did not even take a serious trade. Actually, we had a hit and run. I no longer remember if it was this area or this area. That hit and run, we just made a bit small profit. Then we got out. Guess what? The market did sell off because of Jerome Powell was about to talk. It's not like maybe some people knew what was going to happen, but with the inflation, which is very high, and if they want to increase the interest rates, that obviously automatically will push the market to the lower side, especially tech stock. You see, so now we see that, oh, the market is actually pushing to the lower side. But did we have a rejection where maybe I can say, guys, let's sell? No, we did not have that. And obviously, so it was a bit later on, so I wasn't going to sell this. Obviously, sorry, it was going to be like some sort of a risky move. I think we had an area around this. I don't know if it's this area when the market tried to reject. I thought maybe, okay, we should have maybe some buy pending orders, but the market kept going lower. So what do we see, or what do we expect from this structure? I start to think that, you know what, there is a possibility that, you know what, this thing might start to create continue with the trend. The trend, actually, it might be the downtrend. You can see from this area the market was downtrending, right? Then we had, because our structure was like this, so the market actually broke out, and we see that the market was trying to do what, to push up. So it seems like the market actually is no longer trying to respect that. So it means currently the market is on a downtrend. The market is on a downtrend, even if the market did not give us some nice structure that we can say, maybe let's sell, let's buy, but we can have something like this. Let me go on an hour so that we can see a few candlesticks there. So what's really happening is, since the market is creating this, you can see this area here, the market is going up like that. The market might come back and break that area, come back here, break that area, if this is going to be a strong sell-off. So it means that around this area we can just mark that area and say, if that is broken, that is going to be another area where we can say, below that we can do what, we can sell, because there's a possibility that the market can create something like this and push up. So for us to avoid that, we can say, if this area is broken, it's where we can say we can sell. But beside that, it means we can wait. Yes, anything can still happen. The market can still push up. With this type of sell-off, mostly the market will recover. Maybe the market might push up, then start to go lower slowly. That is also possible. But still, anything is possible. We just need to wait and see. And I think maybe the one that I think it can recover, maybe US30, it's the one that maybe I think the market will favor. But if NASDAQ, I think, is in danger. I think NASDAQ's tech stock, I don't think, can survive this type of interest rates and inflation. So I think the market might push lower, maybe up to 13,000. But we will see, actually, we will see that nicely next week. But even today, we will see what's really happening. We will see what's really happening. So yeah, let's thank you guys. I think maybe I can able to send this video very quickly. I hope my laptop won't die because the power is gone, and maybe it's gonna come back around 12. But okay, thank you guys. Please, for those who want to join the team, there are the contacts. Talk to me there, WhatsApp me, Telegram me. Then if you want to join 150, I think that is the good option that you can choose, because you're going to learn more. You're going to learn how to place the entries, the stop losses, the trading psychology, and technical, all those things. I'm going to assist you. We're going to go live on Zoom, one-on-one, not in the group, one-on-one, so that everything suits you nicely. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex Power.